learn about how we can integrate two Salesforce orgs using REST API. So I have created two Salesforce orgs. One is my target org and another one is my source org. In my target org, I have created a REST service class which I will consume in my source org. So in this REST service class, there is a method called post which is used to create records. To create an account, we will provide an account body to our request. So we will fetch the request body which will be in the form of a JSON string. Now we will convert this JSON string into an account object using the deserialize method of a JSON class. After we have converted this JSON string into an account object, we will insert this account into the database. Now, after creating this REST service class, we will create a connected app. So, move to setup and type apps in the quick find box. Here we can see the connected apps. So click on new and enter all the required fields like connected app name, API name and contact email. After that, enable auth settings. On enabling the auth settings, it will ask to enter the callback URL and selected auth scopes. In the callback URL, we have to enter the URL of our source org and select the auth scopes as full access. This is basically the access which we want to provide to our other integrated org. I have already created one connected app named as Salesforce to Salesforce integration. Once we have created the connected app, we get the client ID as the consumer key and the client secret. We will use this client ID and client secret in our code in source org to get an access token. After that, click on manage button and change IP relaxation from enforce IP restriction to relax IP restrictions. Earlier it was enforce IP restrictions. IP restriction prevent us to get an access token. Now we are done with the target org. We will move to our source org. In this source org, first we have to create a remote site setting to get a web service. So click on setup and enter remote site setting. I have created one remote site setting named as Salesforce to Salesforce integration. Here in the remote site URL, we enter the URL of our target org, from where we want to get the service. After creating the remote site setting, make this remote site setting active. After that, we will make a callout class. I have named it as send account using REST API. First, we have to do an authentication to get an access token. To get an access token, we have to provide few parameters like client ID, client secret, username, password and grant type. Client ID and client secret will be the one which we get in our connected app in our target org. and username and password will also be of our target org. I have appended security token in the password so that I do not get an error of invalid grant type. After sending all these parameters to our request body, we will make a request with a method post to get an access token. After getting the access token, we will make another request to our target org to send an account with the name JennyPoint. So once we will execute this method, the account with the name as JennyPoint will be created in our target org. So click on debug, open execute anonymous and execute this method. After executing this, we will see that in our target org, the account has been created. Here we can see our account with the name JennyPoint. Thank you.